In case you haven't got the memo, clean your hands. And now you can do it anywhere with Dropi, a touchless cleaner dispenser that can easily mount on a car seat, on a windshield, or on a wall. Or sure, I mean here, too. Anywhere you need to sanitize your hands, which is everywhere. Dropi is easy to move around. It takes any cleaner. And it's affordable. Just fill it and place it so people, including yourself, yes, you, can touchlessly clean their cute, little, disgusting hands. It even dispenses the perfect amount. We're here to make sanitizing easy. With Dropi. Clean your bleeping hands.
Imagine a world where your waste bin does everything a waste bin should, stopping rot, stink, and germs before they even start. Now you can. Meet Petal, a revolutionary waste bin that freezes anything you put in it, like diapers, food waste, incontinence products, and even pet waste. Petal was designed with the same ingenuity that goes into rockets and jet engines. With patent-pending technology, next-generation insulation, and environmentally sustainable refrigerant, Petal freezes everything. Solid.
Petal stops decomposition and the spread of germs. It makes so much sense, it almost seems obvious. Why hasn't anyone done this before? Been a game changer.
And not only that, Petal is cost effective. Uses less energy in a month than it takes to wash a load of laundry.
You don't have to cram waste into Petal either. Its top-loaded ergonomic design makes adding and removing waste simple. And because it holds up to 5 gallons, you don't have to constantly empty the garbage. What are you doing?
Just checking out Petal's design. This thing's a work of art. Check out the soft close lid. Did you hear that?
Hear what?
Exactly. Nothing. I hear nothing. This thing is whisper quiet. And the nightlight tells us it's working.
It will help with those middle of the night feedings. And Petal can grow with us too. Once we're done with diapers, we can move it to the kitchen. You know, use it for food waste or compost.
You mean no more rotting, stinking garbage in the kitchen? Perfect. Look, everyday life can get pretty messy. Now we have Petal.
You're right. No more rot, stink, or germs. Just a clean, fresh home. No. I've got it. You can empty it next time.
Our home is happier and healthier with Petal. Everyone deserves to live Petal clean.
We love shoes. We wear them for hours, sometimes even days. Isn't it great? Well, yes, until you take them off. Ooh. Does this smell familiar? Meet V-Tex V20, the only waterproof nanotech shoe with triple odor protection and 20 amazing features. You'll feel like you're wearing new shoes every day. We are V-Tex, the most advanced nanotech footwear company. Last year, we launched V-Tex 12 features all-season waterproof shoes. It took Indiegogo by storm and raised over $1 million. Backers' reviews amazed us. This year, we've decided to make our best shoe ever even better. So we've created the V-Tex V20, a waterproof shoe with triple odor protection and 19 other awesome features. But we'll get to that. First, let's talk about why other shoes stink. Did you know the reason for that is bacteria? The inside of your shoe is a breeding ground for bacteria. They feed off your sweat and reproduce, quickly creating a disgusting smell and making nasty things grow on your feet. Ugh. That's why we made the new V-Tex V20 antibacterial with triple odor protective shields. To see how well V-Tex blocks bacteria, here's a little comparison. Public toilet seat, 2,752 units of bacteria. Regular sneaker, 3,887 units of bacteria. V-Tex, 0 units of bacteria. That's a trivia fact you will not forget so fast. How's this possible? First, we added silver-coated fibers to the V-Tex V20 inner layer. Silver is used by NASA and healthcare facilities for its antibacterial properties. The silver destroys bacteria, fungus, and viruses, which prevents them from reproducing inside the shoe and causing bad odors. Another layer of odor protection is V-Tex patented nanotech fabric, which blocks 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. We also integrated a long-lasting deodorant to our fabric. To perfect the odor protection, the new cushiony bamboo insoles suck moisture and bad smell away while being super comfortable. Your V-Tex V20 also comes with replaceable cooling insole covers. Their cooling technology absorbs and releases heat and moisture away, keeping your feet cool, dry, and fresh, even without wearing socks. Now let's dive into some other features. Do you have sweaty feet? V-Tex is ultra breathable thanks to its patented nanotech temperature control membrane made of sweat-wicking tubes. They suck sweat away while letting air flow inside, keeping your feet cozy, fresh, and dry. Talking about staying dry, V-Tex is 100% waterproof, stain-proof, and heat-resistant for up to 200 degrees Celsius. And they're also cold-resistant for up to -20 degrees Celsius. They're ultra-lightweight, windproof, and also sandproof, making them the only pair of shoes you need to pack for any adventure. If you want to feel fresh like you're wearing new shoes every day, get V-Tex V20 for all your life's adventures.
Introducing Oralucent, the toothbrush that reduces germs and whitens teeth in just 2 minutes of regular brushing. It took 5 years of research and development with top dentists, scientists, and engineers to create this state-of-the-art technology that's as easy to use as 1, 2, 3. Just wake it, wet it, add your favorite toothpaste and optional opal light activated gel, and you're ready for a whole new way of cleaning and brightening. The therapeutic red and blue light gradually intensifies as you begin to brush, emitting the same type of safe and natural light that's been used in dental offices for decades. This technology has proven to fade stains and gently accelerate your daily teeth whitening. Light floods all surfaces of your mouth, including your tongue, where the bacteria that cause bad breath accumulate, and cleans areas unreachable by a conventional toothbrush, such as between the teeth and even below your gum line. Selectively targeting and reducing harmful bacteria so beneficial bacteria can thrive, promoting a balanced oral microbiome and a healthier immune system. Mounting scientific evidence shows that harmful oral bacteria can enter the bloodstream and wreak havoc on the body. A healthy body starts with a healthy mouth.
I see the significant benefit in the toothbrush with the blue light is decreasing the bacteria. Now, if their teeth are 70-80% cleaner or less plaque, you decrease the inflammation. You also decrease the chance of them getting decay, because without the bacteria or without the plaque, there is no decay.
Red light stimulates circulation and cellular renewal as it soothes and strengthens gums. This carefully engineered phototherapy creates the ultimate clean mouth experience.
Recently, the studies are showing how effective this blue light technology is against plaque and bacteria that cause gum disease. Oralucent is an exciting consumer-friendly toothbrush that harnesses this technology that consumers can use every day. It is the most exciting technology I've seen in years.
Our multi-patented toothbrush features super gentle bristles, eye comfort technology, manual or sonic brushing modes, and customizable motor intensity for total comfort and control, all brilliantly designed to reduce germs, freshen breath, whiten teeth, and improve gum health, with no change in your brushing routine. At home, optimal oral care is easy and gentle.
My husband and I have been using the blue light toothbrush for about 6 months. After a few weeks, I noticed my gums stop bleeding after flossing, I have less plaque, and my teeth are whiter.
I was a bit skeptical, but after its first use, I couldn't believe how clean my teeth felt. It was literally like I had just gone to the dentist and had a professional teeth cleaning. In addition to that, my wife noticed right away that my teeth were whiter and my breath stayed fresher throughout the day.
I think that the Oralucent toothbrush really offers patients the ability to, on a daily basis, reduce gingivitis and periodontal disease that will help maintain that periodontal health in between their dental visits.
Elevate your oral hygiene, health, and happiness every time you brush. The toothbrush that's light years ahead. is available now. Oralucent. Simply brilliant.